This is the Gotrax GXL V2. This entry-level commuter scooter is an excellent option for getting around town. Costing less than $300, this is not a scooter to miss out on. The Gotrax GXL V2 has the right amount of power, lightweight, and easy controls, making this an incredible entry-level electric scooter. This scooter has a front hub motor bearing 250 watts of power. This is to be expected from a scooter in this category. The amount of power and speed this scooter offers is enough for short city commutes. The Gotrax GXL V2 has two braking methods, regenerative brakes and a disc brake. These use the motor to slow down while recharging the battery. These brakes work in conjunction with disc brakes. This is effective at speed, but feels funny when you play with it at a stop. All in all though, this disc brake is effective in stopping the scooter. The Gotrax has a digital display that shows the speed and battery life. It also has a front light. Please subscribe to Gadgets and Revs to see more reviews. The scooter comes packed simply, but with the handlebar completely separate from the scooter body.